Let's see how to adjust variable and fixed welding positions in UWeld. We will need to ensure that the TCP and the robot payload are properly configured. It is important to understand that when recording any trajectory, UWeld generates special UWeld waypoints, different from Universal Robot's waypoints. The UWeld waypoints allow for additional configuration of trajectory positions. We can set an offset in terms of the robot's position, in case small adjustments are needed. This offset is indicated by distance values along the X, Y, and Z axes of the tool frame. Additionally, we can set a specific travel or working angle for the selected waypoint if needed. If not required, the shared configuration should be kept. In the Movements tab, we can set a specific speed and acceleration for the selected waypoint or keep the shared parameters. A UWeld waypoint can be of two types. The first is a fixed type, which allows us to define or modify the waypoint based on the robot's current position. The second is a variable type, which must be defined from a post-type variable. This is useful for seeing tracking sensors like the Garline C, which scans the initial and final positions of a welding trajectory and stores them in post-type variables. We will input these variables in the start and end waypoints of the welding process. If desired, we can also set position offsets or a specific orientation. In this way, we will have correctly configured variable waypoints in UWeld. Thank you for your preference.